Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Dana Cole here, and today we are going to discuss, or I'm going to show you, product photography. Now I know we did product photography yesterday, but I was more so recreating something that I've already did, and today I'm going to show you the basics of how to do a neutral, clean, light type of look, which a lot of brands like right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that first, and then I'm going to show you how I would spaz it up a little bit in my Dana Cole way. So yeah, that is what I'm going to show you guys today. That is what you're going to learn today. So let's just get into this video. Okay, you guys, so for this first product shoot or basics, I'm going to show you guys. We're going to start with some skincare product. So we have some hand soap, deodorant, and body lotion. Now, and then they are sitting on top of some wooden pieces that I just got from the local hardware store, or like in America, Home Depot type of store. And then I love to find wallpaper. So this is just some wallpaper that is sitting on and had a nice look and feel to it. So, and then we have just, again, some of my foam boards that I showed you guys yesterday. They're very versatile. You can use them for all types of things. And then just a white piece of construction board because I needed it a little bit taller than the foam boards, as you can see. But yeah, so that is this particular setup. I showed you the light. When placing these in certain orders, you know, you can play around with it. For me, this particular order looked great, so this is what I overall ended up with as far as how they were placed. But again, play with the placing and find what you like best and what showcases the product best. That can be a little trial and error here and there, just so finding what works. Okay, so this is our first setup, and I'm just going to take a shot so you guys can see what this looks like. Okay. Okay, you guys, so for my lighting settings, I'm at 7.5. Again, on the ProPhoto, the 1-500. I am using the Elechrome Snap Deluxe as my softbox, octabox for this. My camera settings are 1/160th, f13, and ISO 100. Here is my product I am photographing. I am doing different placements and different shots of the product, some by themselves, some in different groupings, etc. So you will see that shortly. So as you guys will see a lot this week, I use a tripod when I am photographing product and food product photography. It makes everything so much easier, you guys, especially if you have to add 2 or more images together to focus stack and things of that sort. So that is a tip from me: use a tripod. Okay, you guys. So as you can see, I have now removed part of the white backdrop to give a two-tone look. You can still, the wallpaper on the ground is still the same. The platform that the products are on is still the same. I just removed one side of the foam board in the back. So you're gonna have white on one side and the tan of this gravity backdrop on the other side. So we're gonna get something similar to this. And I feel this gives it just a little bit more of a not so white on white type of look. It's starting to bring in some color and a little bit of interest and a little bit more textures, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like, of course. And now let's spruce it up a little bit more. I want to add in some leaves because I feel like that's going to give it another interesting look. And I'm going to show you guys me doing that now. Right, you guys, so this is going to be my last setup. As you can see, I have added in some white palms, I think palm leaves or whatever these are. Yeah. And I feel like these are going to give it that fine look that I am going for. Now, firstly, I showed you how to do it. Just a very basic, very simple, just white on white with a little bit of texture for the floor underneath, and then taking away one of the back white backdrop panels and giving it a two-toned color look, which is also great and will still please some clients who want a natural type of look. And this will as well, but this is just throwing in a little bit more razzmatazz. So this is giving it a little bit more style and textures, etc. And I love this. So this is going to be the last setup, you guys. These particular palms are not real. They were green. I spray painted them white. So that is something you could do as well. This is what it's looking like. I will show you those, of course, on bigger on the computer. And yeah, that is this setup. I'm gonna start shooting it now, and I will be back to you guys in a moment. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned from it. As always, if you have any questions or something you did not understand, you can leave a comment below and let me know, or just leave a comment below and let me know if you like this setup, if you're gonna try it. If you are a member of my Facebook group, I do hope you try this setup in your own way, or just copy it completely as I did, and then post the results so I can see what you did and give you feedback, etc. So, all right, that's it for now. I will see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog. Again, we're doing product tomorrow, and we're gonna get a little creative. All right, see you guys.